This commission has to inquire and report, and an important part of the inquiry component is these public hearings because it's the opportunity to explore evidence in a public forum. But not many people have the practical ability or the time, or perhaps the will, to sit through day after day of hearings. The interest of what I'll call the traditional media, to distinguish it from social media, in these hearings has, with some honourable exceptions, been patchy. It tends to flare when an ex-minister is on the stand. There may be sound commercial reasons for that. The subject matter doesn't concern the demographic which they cater to, or the issues are too many and the evidence too extensive and complicated for their form of coverage. But as a result, I've come to appreciate the importance of social media in this context. I'm not now and will never be on Twitter, but the Commission's media officer has drawn my attention to some of the Twitter commentary, and I've been struck by how committed and serious some of the people tweeting are. They provide an almost full-time running summary of the evidence with occasional comment. Some of them are people who've long been engaged in the Robodebt issue, and they both tweet and cross over into mainstream commentary. I'm thinking of people like Dr. O'Donovan, Mr. Morton and Mr. Henriques-Gomes, I may have mangled his name, while others, I can see one right in front of me, are newer to the subject, but no less intent on conveying what is occurring in these hearings. Now, I hasten to say I don't agree with every précis or characterisation of the evidence that I've seen, but I want to acknowledge that the Twitter coverage of these hearings has performed a remarkably useful and important public service in giving people access to the evidence.